In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off developer mode in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard for that site, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. When the editor loads, go to the top menu bar and click Dev Mode. This menu gives you access to the Velo developer tools used for custom code and advanced site features. From the Dev Mode menu, select Turn Off Dev Mode. If Wix asks you to confirm your choice, go ahead and approve it. This will tell the editor to disable developer mode for the site you are currently editing. After that, wait a moment while Wix removes the development tools from your workspace. Once the process is complete, check the editor to make sure developer mode has been turned off successfully. You should no longer see panels such as code files, page code, or other developer-related tools that were previously visible in the editor. Their removal confirms that developer mode is no longer active. Next, click Preview to test your website. This is a good way to confirm that everything still works as expected after disabling developer mode. Look through the site and make sure the pages load correctly and any visible features appear normal. If you made any other edits while you were in the editor, click Publish so the live version of your website includes those updates. If you did not make any changes beyond turning off developer mode, you can simply exit the editor once you have confirmed everything looks right. Turning off developer mode does not delete your site. It simply hides the Velo coding tools and returns the editor to the standard website editing view. This can help simplify your workspace if you no longer need to work with custom code or developer features. That is the full process for disabling developer mode in Wix. Open your site, enter the editor, click Dev Mode, choose Turn Off Dev Mode, confirm if needed, and then verify that the developer panels are gone. Finish by previewing your site and publishing if necessary. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.